Hi everybody, this is Mrs. Deffenbaugh. One of the things that I think might be a helpful tip, and I think a lot of you probably know how to do this already, but if you don't, I'm sending this video to you and I want to make sure everybody knows how to do it. And that's to take a screen recording of your computer screen. Now, you may ask, there are other options that you can do with this. For example, you can just take a picture on your phone with this, but this is a pretty easy way to take a screen recording. If you had an issue on your computer, like maybe you're getting an error message or something like that, and you're trying to explain to your teacher that this is what's popping up, is this correct? Then you can actually just take a picture, basically a screen recording of your screen. So I am in an email here, and everybody's computer is a little bit different, but if you're a 5th or a 6th grader, and I think probably freshmen, and probably the 7th and 8th grade laptops are the same way, but say your home computer might be a little bit different. So I'm going to go over a couple of different things that you can do in order to screen record your page. So on the 5th and 6th grade laptops, freshman laptops, probably the 7th and 8th grade laptops, you're going to have an Alt button. If you hold the Alt button down, which is probably by the space bar down down there, if you hold that down and then up in the numbers, you're going to see one that says print screen, or PRTSC. So if you hold the Alt button down and the print screen button, what it's going to do is it's going to take a picture of your screen. And then what you can do is you can go into Paint. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Paint, which I have to go scroll down here. All of you should have Paint on your laptops. Go New, and then if you hit Paste, what it's done is it's taken a recording of my screen. So this is, now I have a recording of the screen. So I could go ahead and send that to my teacher if it, for example, it had an error message or this isn't working, or maybe you just don't want to save a document and you just want to create this. So then once you create this image, so now you're going to go ahead and go in the print, you're going to go File and Save. And you can go ahead and, if you want to save it on the desktop in that folder that I had you create, as you can see, I have 5th grade folder, 6th grade, 7th and 8th grade folder. You can create a folder and then save this, probably not as a, I'm going to save it as a JPEG, and then save it as screen recording. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to screen record anything on your screen, make sure it's appropriate, and then label it as last name, so Deffenbaugh Sarah screen record. And save that into a folder. I'm going to save this one into my 5th computer folder for right now and save it. So then once I've saved this screen recording, I'm going to go ahead and close out of Paint because I don't need to be in there anymore. I'm going to go into my 5th computer folder that I had created, and now you're going to see that there is an image here. It's a JPEG, so it's a little bit different. And if I click on that, then there is the picture of the screen that I recorded. Okay, and so then you can go ahead and email that image to me. So you can go ahead and go into your email, go New Message, put my name, Sarah Deffenbaugh, there we go. Whoops, I gotta spell my name correctly. Hit Attach. I'm going to browse this computer because I need to find where I saved it. I saved it in 5th computers. Here it is. There's the screen record that I did. And then you can go ahead, put the subject, screen record, put the message screen record in there for the subject, and then just hit send. Now you've sent that email to me. So this is a good way to record a screen. I'd like everybody to send me a screen recording so I know that you know how to do that. Now, if if Alt print screen does not work, you could try FN key, and there might be one that's called System, SYS-RQ. And if you hit those two, that could also do a screen recording of your, a screenshot of your page. All right, thanks guys.